Amusements Board, may we invite Mr. Jan Kenner B. So, Assistant Chief of the Gap Boxing and other contact sports division.
Good afternoon, everyone. And first of all, thank you for the invitation from Sir Ferdy Munsayak and Ma'am Perla Tagakay. And I commend you for your persistence to push this Wagatodo to be professionalized. Well, as we all know, Arnis is what we can categorize as a very old sport, but very into the professional scene. So we have struggles in formulating the rules. Well, as we noticed earlier sa presentation po ni Sir Ferdy, it's a huge cliffhanger. Pagtapos dun sa last slide niya, submission to the gap, dun na natapos. Well, I came here upon the instruction of our good chairman, Attorney Francisco Rivera, to deliver this wonderful news from the Games and Amusements Board. Okay, I will read the GAB Resolution number 2025-11, Series of 2025. Approving the manual governing professional, Arnis and Wagatodo in the Philippines. Pursuant to the powers vested in the Games and Amusements Board under Executive Order number 120, Series of 1948, as amended by Executive Order number 392, Series of 1950, and Presidential Decree number 871, the manual governing professional Arnis and Wagatodo in the Philippines is hereby promulgated. So, I can see the big smile on the face of Sir Ferdy. Finally, the Wagatodo and Arnis is recognized by the Games and Amusements Board as a professional sport. Maraming salamat.